Come on, Cameron. Cameron, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Good job. Yay. Uh-oh. Oh no. Heading for the danger zone. Alright. Turn him around. I just want to go where I'm not allowed to go, that's all. Is that asking too much? Cameron!